In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Roblox support ticket system. The support ticket system is really useful when you're having any kind of issue with your account, whether it's a login problem, missing Robux, or anything else. So I'm going to guide you through this step by step. First of all, you need to open the Roblox website in your browser. Once you're on the home page, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. At the bottom, you'll see a section with multiple options. From here, click on Help. This will take you to the Roblox Help page. Now, before contacting support, Roblox recommends checking if your issue can be solved from the help articles. So you can search for your problem here. For example, you want account session protection. But if your issue is not solved, then you'll need to contact support. To do that, click on Contact Support. Now you'll be taken to the support ticket form. Here, you need to fill in your details. Enter your email address carefully, as this is where Roblox will contact you. Then fill out the required details like your username and issue type. In the description box, clearly explain your problem. Once you're done, click Continue or submit the form. After submitting, you'll receive an email. You'll need to wait for a second email from Roblox with a proper response. You can reply to that email if they need more information. And that's it. That's how you can contact Roblox support using a ticket. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.